a second, is that a crack on my screen? Luckily, I had this screen protector specifically designed for my Tesla Model 3. And on this video, I will show you how easy it is to install, so you can protect your screen as well. You see, this could have been my actual screen, and a replacement can be very expensive and inconvenient. So let me show you how easy it is to install a screen protector for your Tesla screen. We're going to install this Spigen Easy Fit anti-glare screen protector. It comes with this Easy Fit frame that centers the screen protector right in place. To start, we need to have the air conditioning turned completely off and the screen in cleaning mode. With the AC off and the screen locked in cleaning mode, let's get the screen protector out of the box. And here we have it. There is a film on the back part of the screen protector that we need to remove before installing. We got some tools here included in this envelope that will make the installation even easier. A big squeegee. A little squeegee. Some cleaning wipes and a cleaning cloth. And some dust removal stickers that I ended up not needing, but it is always good to have. So now that we got everything out of the box, let's get to work. Use the cleaning wipes to get the screen cleaned up. Side to side covering all the edges and corners, a single wipe should do the trick. Now remember we mentioned the film on the back part of the screen protector. It is time to remove it. Carefully place the Easy Fit frame on the screen, starting from the top. And after the frame is in place, do what the sticker says, press and slide. Tap the frame onto the screen as well, pushing all air out. Don't worry if you see any bubbles at this point. We'll take care of it on the next step. Now let's take the sticker off. If there is any sticky residue, don't worry about it. Take the Easy frame off. And now the front film. We see some bubbles on the edges, and that's normal. Here is where the included squeegees shine. Now, since we only got small bubbles, we'll be using the small squeegee for these. With the Easy Fit frame, the bubbles are pretty easy to get rid of. Make sure you squeegee the corners, even if there are no bubbles. Found another one here. Some bubbles just need a little push to adhere to the screen. After we are done with the bubbles, then it is time to get out of the screen cleaning mode. Our screen protector is installed. And now we can use our screen safely while having it protected at the same time. And look how good the screen looks now with that anti-glare finish. The screen protector is ready to do its job once again. Make sure you follow for more tips on how to protect your Tesla vehicle. Thanks for watching.